The demand for housing construction is increasing every year, so this German-made waterproofing system will clearly be in demand. It helps to compensate for the tension between the substratum and the tiles. The thickness of the standard version is 0.1 inches, but there's also a size XL of about 0.3 inches. The material is suitable for both indoor and outdoor work, including for substrata made of cement concrete. Wood is also useful when installing heated floors. The walls of proofing consist of polypropylene with felts on the back side. Ready to finally upgrade that old deck or patio? Say goodbye to cracked concrete or faded wood. Writes an American retailer, they offer composite floor tiles with a wood-like texture. The tiles are made from bamboo and wood fibers that are bonded with polymer resins. The standard version weighs 2.4 pounds and it's a square with a 12-inch side. It's ideal for pool areas, showers and balconies, as tiles don't rot and are resistant to mold and insects, and they can be installed directly on top of old materials provided that the space is flat enough and doesn't have any serious defects. One tile costs about $6. Now let's go to Australia, a country where there are 3.3 times more sheep than people. Interestingly, back in 2013, experts made some calculations and found that Australia was comparable to France and Germany in terms of real estate prices. However, more than 40% of construction companies declared losses due to expensive construction costs to make construction more economical. Local professionals came up with a polymer formwork with holes in it. It's easy to use. Just cut the formwork to match the required parameters and fill it with concrete. The manufacturer claims that the formwork withstands magnitude 9 earthquakes, is resistant to aggressive chemical products including sulfuric and hydrochloric acids, is easy to transport and doesn't require cranes, can be in permanent contact with seawater and sewage water, and costs up to 5 times less than other options. You can choose the formwork for standard projects on the website. In a special configurator, the price will be disclosed to you after submitting an application and specifying the details of the project. Turn to go to Italy. This country is one of the world's leading producers of plastic and steel pipes, and is also home to the world's 5th largest cement manufacturer. That's why they're always ready to offer practical and affordable solutions for construction projects. Such as this modular formwork, the manufacturers focus on sustainability using recycled polypropylene as the main material. This formwork is ideal for large-scale projects. For example, it was once used to build a 4,000 space parking garage. The system combines ease of assembly, good drainage properties, and light weight. The height of the tubes varies according to the customer's wishes, with a standard diameter of 5 inches. The standard size of the fittings is 23 by 23 by 6 inches. The price is available to customers after inquiry. Let's continue our list with another product from the US. It allows you to quickly and efficiently finish your house with stone veneer. Even if you're not a professional, if you're able to drive a screw into the wall, then you'll be able to install our solution. The company says you can buy individual stones, panels, and special blocks for finishing columns. No special tools or mortar are needed, and you can work in all weather conditions. The process resembles playing Lego, and it's easy to work even alone. According to the seller, it's not just an aesthetic investment, but also a useful one. The warranty is 50 years, and the final cost depends on the amount of work. Our next stop is Germany. That is where the headquarters of one of the world's leading construction supplies manufacturers is located. One of their products includes this injection resin, which is indispensable for fast sealing. The resin is suitable for use with concrete and brickwork and can even seal water-bearing Cracks with an opening width of 0.01 to 0.2 inches on contact with water. A fast reaction takes place, and in a couple of seconds, the resin expands 60 times. It can even stop water under pressure, and the service life of the resin is not limited for particularly difficult cases, and special compound is available which can be used for additional injection. This has made robot, which became fully operational in 2021, is very useful. The statistics are impressive. Once on a bridge project in Florida, it complete up to 1100 TIs per hour, and the robot doesn't care about the time of day or the weather. Thanks to its computer vision technology, this robot operates with precision and accuracy and is capable of tying 0.3 inch and 0.35 inch rebar across a width of up to 100 feet. The manufacturers promise productivity gains of at least 150%. It takes no more than half a shift to get it ready for work. The robot is available for both purchase and rental, with all details depending on the project. Sandy City, Utah, USA. This is where a property developer decided to build warehouses and office buildings because the local economy is booming, and one of the most important aspects is a high-quality roof, as the local climate is characterized by winters with heavy rains and winds. As a result, engineers settled on a hybrid roofing system consisting of a base of polystyrene combined with elements of polio, so cyanurate. The material is very rigid, repels water, and is resistant to both chemical and mechanical stress. Overall, this solution is cheap. It simplifies the work, speeds up the installation, and takes less time compared to its counterparts. The products that revolutionized the roofing industry. A name everyone now knows. More efficient than any other product from the composition, the manufacturer spares no praise when presenting this product. By the way, there is a housing shortage in the UK, and many experts believe that it will not be solved soon. According to estimates, the country needs about 1 million homes, while only 150 to 200,000 are built each year. That's why equipment that can speed up construction is a must. This hoist, for example, lifts about 1,000 tiles onto the roof in less than 25 minutes. 2 people can easily handle the assembly. The reverse drive option allows the old material to be sent down directly to the back of the truck. The hoist can be rented for a week for $157. As many other countries are, Italy is facing energy problems. In August of this year alone, prices rose by about 76%, so governments are actively searching for alternatives. There's development in particular allows the use of solar energy. Stop the water, catch the sun, the manufacturers say. The solution they offer consists of a bitumen base to which a special photovoltaic film is attached. The company's portfolio includes a project in Naples, which generates around 25 megawatts, the largest project of its kind in the world. The solution is suitable even for structures with complex geometry, and after the work is completed, the roof is still safe to walk on. In Switzerland, a team of experts offers a brand new approach to construction with the help of robotics. According to them, the preparation of materials has long been automated, but assembly is still done by humans. So they propose a method of digital timber construction. The system receives a digital draft of the structure, inspects it, and determines which components are needed. Then, manipulators choose the boards and beams, assemble them into the required elements, and place them into the right places of the structure. The only problem is that the system doesn't yet know how to put the elements together, so it still needs human help. But overall, the new robot is already faster than a human, and it has a great future. It closes the gap between design, planning, and execution, say the manufacturers. Older buildings often have poor insulation, among other problems. Because of this, even though the heating is on maximum, it's still cold. Often up to 85% of the energy consumed ends up outside, leading to condensation, mold, mildew, and other issues. The problem can be solved with extruded polystyrene foam panels such as these. Proper installation reduces heat loss by 43%, and the panels can be painted and wallpapered. However, there's a 24 to 48 hour wait. It's also an excellent solution for buildings of historical value. Believe the designers, the boards are only 0.1 to 0.5 inches thick, so they won't take up much space either. And because the material's lightweight, it's easy to transport, carry, and install on your own. Aerogel was created in 1931 and has been widely used ever since, from the space industry to construction sites, and also in this plaster the liquid in the air gel has been replaced by gas, resulting in an anoporous structure. The final material is composed of more than 90 air, is highly resistant, and can withstand temperatures between 1832 and minus 418 degrees Fahrenheit. Add aerogel to the plaster, and you get an incredibly versatile option that can be used to insulate buildings and restore monuments. Aerogel-based plaster retains its ease of manual and mechanical processing, and according to the German Institute for Standardization, you only need a 0.8-inch thick layer of it to achieve the necessary levels of thermal insulation. How huge today's roof tile market is. The brass company's products are used by at least 1.6 million households worldwide every year. Meanwhile, the Robin company believes that half of European houses are roofed with the tiles produced exactly by them. That's why these instructional videos are quite popular. A video on how to lay tiles right to the Norwegian author. In just a few minutes, he manages to show the key aspects of the work and points out that this video is the first chapter of a multi-part tutorial on the construction of a garage. As usual, the opinions of users are divided. Some are convinced that the work is good, while others have found many errors and would not do the same. Speaking of renovation, if you need something more serious or just want to radically change the interior of a place, you should pay attention to these concrete panels. The manufacturers claim that they're twice as light as their counterparts, so installation will be easier. The company is ready to make panels to order for a specific project. Measuring up to 8 feet long and 4 feet wide, the thickness varies from 0.5 to 2.5 inches. Panels can be easily cut on site. If needed with just a 2-person crew for comfortable work, different colors are also available, and designers will be interested in 3D textures. If there's a computer model of the room, you can assess how the panels will fit into it.